Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You are watching Learn Programming by Lucky Sir YouTube channel. In this video, I am sharing different types of cloud service models. In my previous video, we were discussed the different types of cloud deployment models. In this session, we are going to discuss the cloud service models. A cloud service model represents a specific pre-packaged combinations of IT resources offered by cloud provider. Three common cloud service models have become widely established and formalized. They are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Let us discuss the first one, infrastructure as a service. It is one of the main categories of cloud computing services. It is a form of cloud computing that provides virtualized computing resources over the internet. In infrastructure as a service model, cloud service provides hardware, software, servers, storage, and other fundamental computing resources where the client is able to deploy and run arbitrary software. The user does not manage or control the underlying cloud infrastructure but has control over operating system, storage, and deployed applications. Examples of infrastructure as a service are Google Compute Engine and Amazon EC2. The second service is platform as a service. It is a cloud computing model in which cloud service provider provides software tools and application programming interface for application development and deployment. Platform as a service is the set of tools and services designed to make coding and deployment of those applications quick and efficient. Examples for platform as a service are Microsoft Azure and Google App Engine. The third one is software as a service. It provides cloud application which is used by users directly without installing anything on the system. Cloud service provider hosts applications and makes them available to customers over the internet. These applications are accessible from various client devices through client interface such as a web browser. Examples of software as a service is Google Docs. It is a free web-based application in which documents can be created, edited, and stored online. Files can be accessed from any computer with an internet connection. It facilitates users to create as well as save their documents. So this is all about different types of cloud services. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share to your friends also. Thank you for visit.